Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking to restore a youthful, rosy glow to your skin, today's product might be the game changer you've been waiting for. L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Rosy Tone Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer promises to renew and revive your skin's natural pink tone while keeping it hydrated and smooth. Let's see if this product truly lives up to its claims and if it's worth your investment. This moisturizer is designed for mature skin, offering a rich, non-greasy formula that's free of fragrance, parabens, and mineral oils. The key ingredients include Imperial Peony extract and LHA, which work together to gently exfoliate and rejuvenate dull skin, bringing back that natural rosy glow. It's dermatologist tested, allergy tested, and suitable for sensitive skin, which is always a plus for those of us with more delicate complexions. I've been using this moisturizer consistently for a couple of weeks now, and I can confidently say that it has a smooth, non-sticky texture that absorbs into the skin effortlessly. It doesn't leave any greasy residue, which is something I really appreciate. Applying it in the morning, I noticed an immediate feeling of hydration without any heavy, oily finish. Over time, I observed a slight improvement in my skin's tone, with the natural rosy color becoming a bit more visible. What I love about this product is how gentle it is on the skin. I've used moisturizers before that are supposed to exfoliate, but end up feeling harsh or leaving my skin irritated. The inclusion of Imperial Peony extract gives it a soothing touch, and the exfoliation is subtle, making it perfect for those with more sensitive or mature skin. The fragrance-free formula is also a huge win for me, as I know a lot of people, myself included, can be sensitive to fragrances, especially when it comes to skincare. That said, it's not all perfect. While the moisturizer does a great job of reviving a fresh, rosy tone, I didn't see dramatic results in terms of deep wrinkles or fine lines after a couple of weeks of use. It might not be a heavy-duty anti-aging miracle for those with very advanced signs of aging, but if you're looking for a more gentle, everyday moisturizer that hydrates, smooths, and adds a hint of radiance, it's a solid choice. When it comes to value for money, it's priced in a reasonable mid-range for a high-quality drugstore product. At 1.7 ounce, it isn't the largest jar you'll find, but considering how little you need per application, it should last you a decent amount of time. The ingredients and overall formulation are on par with many high-end options, so you're getting good bang for your buck. If you're looking for alternatives in a similar price range, there are other anti-aging moisturizers with similar ingredients, like Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair or Olay Regenerist. Both offer effective hydration and exfoliation, but with slightly different active ingredients. If your goal is mainly to bring out a healthy glow, however, this one stands out due to the peony extract and its gentle formula. As for build quality, the packaging is simple yet sturdy, with a twist-off lid that feels secure. The jar design makes it easy to control how much you use, and since the formula isn't too thick, I didn't have any issues with getting the right amount out. It's also important to mention that the product feels fresh every time I open it, with no signs of degradation over time. Overall, I'm quite pleased with the L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Rosy Tone Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer. It's a gentle, yet effective option for those with mature skin who want to restore their natural rosy glow while keeping skin hydrated and smooth. However, if you're after something that tackles deep wrinkles or sagging, this might not be the miracle product you're looking for. But for a daily hydrating moisturizer with gentle exfoliation and a bit of glow, it's definitely worth a try. If this review has helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on more honest beauty reviews like this one. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this moisturizer, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.